So, hello, now is my turn. Thank you very much, Theo, that you mentioned the multi-point server, because I was about to invite Mr. Tobal to see it, and also Mrs. Potent, because I know maybe Ministry of Education from Moldova is interested in having access to affordable hardware. And I like to restart the question Theo asked. Who knows about the program Parteneri pentru Educație? Parteneri pentru Educație? Okay, thank you very much. I ask in Romanian because I don't promote it until now, the program with Partners in Learning naming, so that's why maybe not so many people heard about it. Few words about our programs in education in Romania. We have programs in K-12, I'm taking care of it. The name is Partners in Learning, the name of the program. And also we're having programs in higher education. I will start with those in higher education because I use a lot of resources from higher education in K-12 in order to make the program available in Romania with help of, for example, student partners. In Romania, we're having this program, Microsoft Student Partners, that supposes students that aim to use Microsoft technology are discussing with other colleagues and showing other colleagues how they can build application or how they can manage infrastructure, Microsoft infrastructure. And outside, my colleague is actually a Microsoft student partner. He's not hired by Microsoft. He's just a student at Polytechnics in Bucharest. And he is now here to show to you some of the technologies. So you see there is a connection between what we are doing in higher education with what we are doing in K-12, and I think this is something very important and we are proud of it because this will manage the gap between K-12 and higher education, at least in Romania. I don't know how it is in other countries, but usually there is no good relation between the two systems. Another program is internship, where we go offering to students chance to have a 1-month practice in Microsoft Office, the technical office in Bucharest. And the third one is Imagine Cup. Imagine Cup is a competition addressed to students, faculty students, but we're aiming now to promote it within the K-12 community, mainly to students in last 2 years of high school. I like also to say thank you very much to Minister of Education, despite the fact he is not here now, because he mentioned in the morning about 3 pillars of program Microsoft Partners in Learning. And the 3 pillars are innovative schools, innovative teachers, and innovative students. And because innovative is the word that links all of them, let me show you how schools are becoming innovative in Romania. We're having some schools to whom we're working are becoming innovative in Romania, and in those schools, for certain, there are innovative teachers and innovative students. And saying that, I will show you how, for example, they're using Microsoft technology, sorry, not that, that. So what you see now on the screen is an application named Link. This application allows a video conferencing system, is a video conferencing system that allows distance learning management, distance learning, allows distance learning, allows, for example, virtual meetings with parents. One of the school already did that, and allows also collaboration between schools very distant one of each other. I will let them to present what they are doing with this video conference system. One of the school will also present, in few words, the Microsoft Learning Gateway solution, a portal solution on which they're sharing information and increase the education system in the school and can offer better education offer to the community they are serving, the education program they are serving. So, in order to, maybe you are asking if this connection is secure, because in a meeting where education is organized or specific topics are discussed, no people could be allowed by exception. For example, by fortune, one of the school was dropped out by the internet connection in the school or something, and they now asking me the permission. I don't know if you see this button here. I am about to push now to admit them to rejoin the meeting. They were earlier in the meeting, but by some reason they went out. So if you are interested about the menu of the application, I can discuss with you, because I don't want to make now a lesson. We don't have time to make the lesson. I just want to allow you to speak. One of the schools is in Bucharest, but the other one is in Piatra Neamț. So I will say hello to everybody, and I will ask first the Piatra Neamț High School to unmute their phone, their microphone, sorry, and salute everybody. Hi, hello. Okay, thank you very much. Can you tell us a few words about your school?
Yes, hello. Greetings from the National College of Computer Sciences in Piatra Neamț. We are theoretical high school. Our main focus is on mathematics and computer sciences. We have about 900 students and 44 teams. Last year, we were selected in Innovative School, and we demonstrated through direct and virtual workshops, help with the help of live meeting program platforms, that we can apply innovative techniques and IT instruments in the educational process.
So what is your status this year? So last year you were an innovative school, a Pathfinder school. That means that you...
Yes.
Can you say what means that?
This year we have become a mentor school.
This year you become a mentor school. So Pathfinder schools are schools that aim to discover their vision about education and their mission in the education community they're serving. After being a Pathfinder school has the chance to become a mentor school and share with other schools ideas about how they become innovative. So I'm translating what she already says, because I don't know if you hear very well due to audio connection. So thank you very much. I will ask the school. I will present each of you. If you please present yourself while I'm asking Danielle to upload the page of their portal to see some of the works they did while last year when they were Pathfinder School. So I will invite Daniela Neamțu to say hello, the principal of the school. Can you wave your hand?
Hello, my name is Daniela. I'm principal of National College of Science Computer, and with me are two children who worked last year in a project, and they want to speak about their work. Paul, please.
Okay, hello everybody. My name is Paul. And I'm glad to say that as a participant to the Comenius Romanian-Lithuanian project, I had the chance to work on an illustrated dictionary using live meeting platform. In this way, we had the opportunity to share live with our friends from Lithuania a mimic game consisting in a role play in which the Lithuanians had to guess the feeling mimed by the Romanian students, such as love or compassion or happiness. As a result, not only the practical dictionary that you can see on the screen, I guess, but also we have improved our pronunciation, the partner's language, and that was very useful during the project. And another way in which the live platform helped us was the possibility to search together with our colleagues expressive pictures followed by Romanian, English, and Lithuanian translation words, and that completed the dictionary and made it a final product of the project. And now I want you to listen my colleague Liviu.
Hello, my name is Liviu. I also participated in the Comenius Romanian project. For starters, I just want to say that live meetings are very useful when it comes to passing information and presenting projects. Virtual contact with the students from Lithuania made the information pass very easily and understanding of their language very enjoyable. The bilateral project, in which we had to present different photos of diverse objects, was very easily realized with the help of this program. The e-learning platform that we had to show others were very simple to transmit, and information passed quite quickly and productive. What more can I say in this great program, which helps keeping tight relationships with other schools on an international level as well as national. Live meetings promote experience exchanges and is very useful in information sharing. This is about all I have to say, and if you have more questions, do ask.
Does anybody want to ask them a question about this project? So you see on the screen their main page from their portal in which they uploading now some of the work they did in partnership with the Lithuanian school in a comenius and innovative school together. Lily, the mentor of the program, the project manager of the program last year, can you tell us what are the programs that fit together this project you're showing us on the screen, please? Poți vorbi în românește că există traducere simultană, Lili.
În cadrul programului Partners in Learning, școala noastră ca mentor va dezvolta numeroase universități virtuale pentru cel puțin 2 școli din întreaga lume, care le vom consilia și vom lucra împreună pentru a ne stabili o viziune individualizată, pliată pe ceea ce se poate face în fiecare școală, pentru a ne împărtăși bunele practici și bunele experiențe, pentru a învăța unii de la alții, pentru a dezvolta instrumente de lucru didactice, atât pe partea IT, cât și pe metodică, de a organiza la nivel național cel puțin 2-3 evenimente pentru școli din România care doresc să devină școli inovative și să facă parte din programul Partners in Learning. Bineînțeles că vom participa și direct la Washington DC la Forumul Mondial al Inovației în Educație, unde vom avea șansa de a participa atât la lectorate realizate de către experți din întreaga lume, de a împărtăși cu școli din întreaga lume experiența noastră și de a ne îmbunătăți continuu viziunea, instrumentele didactice și de ce nu, de a lega prietenii educaționale dincolo de frontiere.
Aveam o întrebare scurtă. Programul anul trecut, programul cu școala lituaniană, a fost o combinație între Partners in Learning și Comenius, parcă?
Da, în perioada mobilității elevilor și profesorilor din Lituania, noi am realizat un eveniment împreună cu tine, Sanda, în care au participat și alte 3 școli din România. Au participat la activitățile noastre comune cu elevii profesorii din Lituania, au asistat la lecții, au participat la live meeting-uri cu elevi și studenți aflați în Lituania. Ne-am împărtășit din bunele practici, din experiențele pe care le avem.
Okay, mulțumesc foarte mult. Thank you very much. I like to switch very short to Moisil School. I don't know if they can activate their webcam because their connection is a little bit poor. Mihaela, Dana, ne puteți auzi? Puteți vorbi?
Suntem aici, auzim, sper să ne auziți și voi, o să ne și vedeți pentru o scurtă perioadă de timp, sperăm noi, ne vedeți?
Acum vă vedem, da. Am să fac eu prezentarea scurt ca să fiu sigură.
Ne auziți?
Da. Da.
Ne auziți?
Da, vă auzim.
Vom renunța la video, suntem aici, salutări din București. Existăm, o să oprim transmisia video și o să rămânem doar pe audio ca să putem să share-uim pagina principală a portalului nostru. O să vă spună doamna directoare, doamna Bobocea, câteva cuvinte despre povestea noastră din această vară.
One second, because I just want to present who was in the image as video connection was took off. So the person that was spoken was Mihaela Garabet, a very innovative teacher. She's PhD since last week, and her PhD work was about using portal, their school portal into a teaching learning system, teaching learning process. And in the middle it was it is the vice principal of the school, and a student was also there. So I will let you to speak now, please. Mihaela, Dana.
After 4 years of using the portal, we can say that apart from its facilities, it is first of all an extremely efficient means of communication. We might have ignored its importance if by event which took place this year in July, the IT equipment that placed this mentioned it hasn't broken down. After a week of unsuccessful endeavors to restore the portal, we experienced the feeling of being separated from the educational community and the world. And get in touch with the students, the teacher, parents became extremely difficult. Yes, we have this bad experience. There has been the command we asked for help the Microsoft company support, which as usual is
excuse me, I'm interrupting you, Dana, excuse me, I'm interrupting because while using the images and the voice at the same time, we don't hear very well what you are saying. I think it's better, I will say a few words about what we are seeing on the screen, and then please take off the screen and speak, because otherwise we cannot hear. So I will explain. This is the image of this school portal. This is a learning management system. It's based on Microsoft technology and allows third-party application, like for example Siveco ALE, or application that are developed in the school by teachers and by people there. And through this portal, they can also make experiments, distance experiments, for example, in the physics lab. They having systems that could be accessed from home, so over the night.
From a distance.
when the school closed, students can still access some of the experiments they're making in the lab. So I have a question to Dana. Dana, what happened when the portal is down, as it happens this year, a few months ago?
We have the feeling that we are separated from the all over the world, from the educational community, and the communication with teachers, with the students, and with parents was extremely difficult.
Yeah, the hardware of one of the servers was too old and broke down, and they cannot communicate anymore. Now the portal is up again, so welcome into the virtual world again.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay. So thank you. Do you need to add? Do you want to add something else, Mihaela?
Maybe Mihaela.
I would like to share with you one of my research, educational research, in what concerns video conference lessons developed with live meeting with a number of 54 students. Many of them were outside school and they are trying to make experiments from a distance via live meeting. And the results were very good, and we are very happy to hear that we will be able to conference lessons again because of link attendees 2010.
Okay, thank you very much. Any question from the audience to the school? Okay, thank you very much, both schools and both school principals that were with us together on this online presentation. I need to close now. Thank you very much for the audience for paying attention to my presentation. Thank you.